Eto na! Eto na! Eto na! Eto na! Alright mga Shako, good morning, good day. At sa mga gahe natin dyan, let's go. Marami nagtatanong sa akin dyan na Shako na kung nasaan si Bisetis Vlogger, kung kailan siya magbabalik as a vlogger, kailan siya maggagawa ng content. I think ito na yung sign na babalik talaga tayo mga Shako. Ito yung mga gahe is means tigasin. Ayan, samahan nyo ako dito. Alright, masyabang naglalakad tayo dito masyaki sa hindi nakakalam. Buwan ng Nobyembre, big day ngayon kasi magka-casting tayo dito sa event ng City Tournament, Call of Duty Mobile. And tara, susukin natin dun. Alright, masyaki, papunta na tayo sa itaas. And shoutout sa likod ko. To shout. Punta tayo dun. Punta tayo sa venue, yung lamig na dito. Galing tayo sa init. Cute pa rin ako kahit mainit. Let's go Mashaka, let's go. Na-excited na maron.
Excited na kayo?
Excited. Pabugbog na sad. Alright Mashaka, nakita niyo sa loob. Wala pa, nagre-ready pa sila dito. Tapos balik tayo doon mamaya Mashako. Bili mo tayo ng pagkain, punta tayo sa ano. Alright Mashako, bili muna tayo ng tubig. Tapos balik tayo sa venue mamaya. Alright, let's go. Uminom talaga ako dito ng Gatorade kasi alam nyo na, para saan to, maging talaga tiyan ko. Hindi ko ito inaasahan kapag kinakabahan ako, hindi ko alam kung bakit ako kinakabahan. Kapag kinakabahan ako, yung tiyan ko sumasakit.
The Monarchs team, Nako got knocked out with ace of the L team. Bricks got knocked out there by the Imba of the Monarchs team. Or we consider Brick even got knocked out there by the Micros of the Monarchs team. And we can see there the team number 7. Ito si Jailor dal talaga. Alright, we'll go back and see here Mashako for the team number 6 right now. Alright, remember Ace got knocked out there by the Maki of the SGB on the other side. Team number 12 right now. A cluster strike there Mashako has been deployed there by the Jail of the L team here. Maki's on the move there. Oh, Matirasu got knocked out there by the Maki of the SGB team here for this beautiful takedown. Oh my goodness, by the Cortez of the DC team. Dito Mashako is the beautiful takedown there by the team number 10. Right now Mashako is heading towards the team number 11 here. Kuya Kev got knocked out there by the Inba of the team number 1 right now, which is the Monarchs team natin dito for this round. Of the FS1, GN got knocked out by the Shadow of the FS1 team. Team number 10 dito Mashako. Oh my goodness. Got knocked out there by the Millions of the FS1 team here for the team number 3. That's a very difficult round here by the team number 1. But Travis got knocked out there by Nansanity of the FS1 team. Ayun talaga Mashakoy, si team number 3 lang pala ang nakakaubos ng ating team number 1 dito for this round. Jello got knocked out there by the Danger Zone. Sa next game, GND Go Shotty by Shannon Villosino. Good luck sa next game, GND by Naz Ginayon. Ayun, Hinayon na yun.
Solid.
Shoutout ka po pala kay Isaiah This Gaming.
Yeah! Yo! Congrats! na, solid.